Hi, minasan konnichiwa. So today we come at the end of the hiragana video, and today we will be learning the advanced hiragana. So till the date we have been learning the basic that we have already completed on last week. So today we will be going for advanced hiragana, where we will be learning 25 voiced consonant sound, that is dakuten, we call in Japanese dakuten, and another 33 contracted sounds. Alright, so this is tenten and this is called maru, that what we will be learning today. So all these things, how it sounds, just listen to Japanese sound please.
Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po.
Alright, so we move to tenten and maru. So what is tenten and maru? So this part is easier than it sounds. All of these are the same kana we learned before. That's the basic hiragana we learned. The difference is that there are two slashes or a small circle at the upper right of the each kana. So this means that now the consonant is voiced. So ka, what we learned ka in the previous video, the ka becomes ga, and sa becomes za, and ta becomes da, etc, etc. So we will see how we are making it. So this we will learn, right? No, this is ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, right? So we just put this tenten. You can see tenten. There's a no slash. You can see here, right? So this is a double. How to say, like, this is a dakuten. In fact, so that's what we will be putting of the all those hiragana, and then we will be the sound will be changing if we put two slashes. Alright, so now if you take this ka and then you put this double slashes above this, it becomes ga, as in mega, right? So becomes similarly ki becomes, and if you put two slashes it becomes gi. Alright, gi as in geek. So ku becomes gu. Alright, this becomes ge as get. Ko becomes go. So similarly, this is a ga, gi, gu, ge, and go. It's so simple, right? You just have to put slashes, two slashes of the hiragana, and sound becomes changed. It becomes ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Alright. Similarly, we go for sa, si, su, se, so. If you put two slashes above that, it becomes za, that's pizza, ja. It becomes ji. Su becomes zu, that's zoom. Se becomes ze as zen, and so becomes zone, like zo, right? So it's zone as zo. Alright, so altogether it was za, ji, zu, ze, zo. We move to next. This is ta, chi, tsu, te, to, and then if you put two slashes above this hiragana, so ta becomes da, and then ji, zu, de, do. So this is da, ji as in jeep, zu as zoom, te becomes de, that's den, and to becomes do as dome. Alright, we will go to next, that is ha, hi, fu, he, ho, and if you put two slashes, that's called tenten. So ha becomes ba as ball, he becomes b as in beach, fu becomes bu as in boom, he becomes as be as bed, and ho becomes bo as bone. Right? So it was ba, bi, bu, be, bo. We learned it as this. We move to next, that's called maru, right? So we learned about the tenten, and now we are going to learn about the maru. Alright, so how the sound changes is, so if you put maru, that maru is called circle, right? If you put maru on above the hiragana, now it becomes ha becomes pa, He becomes P. Who becomes Pu. He becomes Pe as pen, and Ho becomes Po as po. Alright, so we learned Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po. That was, we will Mochito. Once again, we will to try to revise it. This is Ga, Gi, Gu, Ge, Go. Za, Zi, Zu, Ze, Zo. Da, Zi, Zu, De, and Do. Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo. Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, and Po. Alright, now let's shuffle it. Now you have to guess which alphabet it is. This is correct, B. This is Gu, Ze, Go, Pe, Zi, Ga, Zu, Pa, Da, Ge, De, Po, Do, Ba, Pu, Zu, Zi, Bo, Gi, Bu, Pi, Zo, Be, Ja. Alright, now we come to your quiz. Like, you can read this. What is this? Right, everyone, you can see we have Ga, Gu, Ge, Gi, Go. Right, so you can just look at this properly, and then we can have a small quiz on this. Alright, Ga, Gi, Gu, Go is there. Can we start the quiz if you all are ready? Shall we go ahead? Alright, now you tell me, where is Ge here? Yes, on the left hand side, middle. Yeah, this is Ge. Alright. Next, you tell me, where is G here? Yes, left hand side, top. Yeah, that's G. Alright. Tell me, where is Do here? Do. Do is in center. Yes, that's in center. Alright, now please tell me, where is Ba here? Correct, right hand side, and at the bottom. Correct, this is bottom. Next, just try telling me, where is Pu, Pu, Pu here. Alright, that's top right hand side. That's a Pu. Okay, now we will try to combine two alphabets. So this will be Peda, this will be Boju, this will be Ga, Pa, this will be De, Bi, Ja, Go, Po, Do. Alright, now we are there. Which letter is this? Can you just read it please? This is Da and Jo. Okay, Da, Jo. This is Bu, Do, Budo. This is Pe, Gi, Pegi. Alright, okay. And now can you tell me, where is in this Ga and Gi? Yes, Ga and Gi is right hand top. Arigatou gozaimashita. Alright, so how do you read this? This is Gu, Ge, Ga, Go, Gi, Jo, Ji, Zu, Ja, Je, Da, Zu, Do, Zi, De, Be, Bi, Bo, Ba, and Bu. Alright, can you read this for me please? This is Pu, Pa, Pi, Pe, and Po. Alright, thank you. Now let's review all the hiragana now from A to A to M. So this is A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Si, Su, Se, So, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, o. And this is ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, you, yo, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, Alright, this is ga, gi, gu, ge, go, ja, ji, ju, je, jo, da, ji, ju, de, do, ba, bi, bu, be, bo, pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Alright, so we come at the end, pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Now let's have a combined word. So this is ka, I, gi. Alright, so this is kai, gi. Kai, gi, right? What is kai, gi? Kai, gi is meeting. Alright. Ka, gi. Ka, gi is ki. Ka, gu. Ka, gu is furniture. Ra, I, ge, tsu. Rai, ge, tsu is next month. Go, is PM. Go, ha, Gohan is rice ball. Alright, food. Ja, ne, Jannen. Jannen is bad luck. Na, ji. Nanji. Nanji is what time? Chi, zu. Chi, zu is map. Mi, zu is water. Ka, ze. Kaje is wind. Ka, jo, ku. Kajoku is family. Da, I, ga, ku. Daigaku is university. Ku, da, mo, no. Ku, da, mo, no is fruits. Hi, da, ri. Hidari is left. Da, re is who. De, ki. Denki is electricity. Doko is where. Ka, do. Kado is corner. Ban is night. Ka, bi, cabin. Cabin is vase. Shi, bu, shimbun is newspaper. Ha, bu, hambun. Hambun is half. Ka, be is wall. Bo, ku is I or me. Te, tempura is so basically it's a fried snacks what the Japanese people eat in Japan. It's the way we have aisle fried pakoda in India. Same thing, similar with less salt. They have tempura. Alright, this is sampo. Sampo is to walk. Alright. So now we move to small ya, you, yo. Alright. So we talked about small ya, you, yo. So you can see now it comes to a part of hiragana called yoon, pronounced as yoon. Yoon combines ya, you or yo with any other consonant. So now we can make words like ryu, dragon, byoin, hospital, etc. So yoon are the only combined with consonants that have an e ending, that is ri, shi, ki, all those things. So we'll be learning here. Alright, so we know this is what we will be learning here. You can just listen to the Japanese sound, please.
Kya, kyu, kyo. Kya, kyu, kyo. Sha, shu, sho. Sha, shu, sho. Cha, chu, cho. Cha, chu, cho. Hya, hyu, hyo. Hya, hyu, hyo. Pya, pyu, pyo. Pya, pyu, pyo. Dya, du, dyo. Dya, du, dyo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Ja, ju, jo. Ja, ju, jo. Nya, nyu, nyo. nya, nyu, nyo, bya, byu, byo, bya, byu, byo, mya, myu, myo, mya, myu, myo.
Hi. So we move to next. So ya, you, yo. You can say ya, you, yo is big. I mean, it looks big. If it is the same size of other alphabets, then it's a big ya, you, yo. But when you talk about the small ya, you, yo, it will be lesser in size compared to the other alphabets. Like if you write ka bigger and small ya, or like if you write ki bigger and small u, so that's the size difference. Like so how the sound changes, we will be learning now. So see, there are two difference here. I'll be showing here. Big key is there and big ya is there. So if you read this, it will be kiya. All right, kiya. All right. So now how the difference is? If it is a big ki and small ya, you can see the size, right? The ya size is almost half, so it becomes kya. So ki and ya, it becomes kya. Similarly, if you can see here, big ki and big u, it becomes ki and u. The sound will be ki u. But if it comes in a small u, right, you can see the size again, like it becomes q. Alright, similarly with this, ki and yo becomes ki yo, but it comes with the small size of yo, then it becomes kyo. Alright, now you can see, this is ki and gi, c and g, ni, chi, bi, he, pi, mi, mi, ri, all those things will it always ends with the sound e, right, e sound. And then you have to add the small ya, you, yo, right? So this is the a catch point, minasan. So please take note. Now all this thing ya, you, yo will be only added if the sound is ki, gi, si, ji, ni, chi, all this, etc., etc. Alright, so it becomes. Can you say what is this? This is kya. This is q. This is kyo. It will be then. So ki and 10 we just learned, right? Ki becomes gi and then it will be ya. So it will be gya, gyu, gyo. It will be she and ya will become ya, sha. It will be shu and sho. It will be ja, zu and jo. Cha, chu, cho. Nya, nyu, nyo. Hya, hyu, hyo. Bya, byu, byo. Pya, pyu, pyo. Mya, myu, myo. Rya, ryu, ryo. Alright, okay. Now there's a quiz now. Just let me know where is gyu. Gyu. Alright. So gyu is your left hand side middle. Okay. Now please tell me where is nya. Nya is in center. Alright. Okay. Now please tell me where is bya. Bya is right hand side top. Okay. Now please tell me where is jo. Jo is at the bottom. Alright. So now please tell me where is chu. Yes, chu is left hand side. Yes, that's chu. Alright. Now can you please tell me where is ryu? Ryu is right hand side in the middle. Alright. Okay. So this is shu. This is q. This is kyo. Alright. Okay. This is sha, zu, gya, hyo, gyo, za, mya, zo, cha, kya, cho, nya, pya, nyo, byu, hya, sho, hyu, gyu, byo, chu, pyu, ryu, myu, pyo, myo, rya, nyu, bya, ryo, and that should be, yeah. So how do you read this? Can you read this for me, please? How the pronunciation will be kyaku. Very good. Ki and ya will be kya and then ku. Kyaku is customers. Kyori, kyo, ri, distance. Kin gyo. King gyo is goldfish. Isha. Isha is what? It's a doctor. Alright, Isha is doctor. Ka, I and Sha. Kaisha. Alright, Kaisha becomes company. Jitensha. Jitensha is bicycle. Shu, me. She and U become shu and me. Shu, me is hobby. Ji, she and yo. So she and yo will become sho. So jisho is dictionary. It will be she and u will be shu and ji and u will be ju and tsu is there, right? So it will be shujutsu. Ka no zo. Kanojo. Alright, so kanojo. Kano is she and her, or sometimes it is, Alright, this is o cha. Ocha. What is ocha? Ocha is, green tea. Alright. Kabocha. Right? Kabocha. It's a fruit. Alright. This is cho. Kin is bank saving. Hyaku. So hyaku would be 100. Alright. Sanbyaku. Sanbyaku is 300. Myaku is pulse. Ryokucha is green tea. Miryaku is charm. Ban is night. Kagu is furniture. Daigaku is university. Rai Getsu is next month. Gogo is PM. Kudamono is again fruits. Zannen is bad luck. Nanji is what time. Kabe is wall. Kaigi is meeting. Hidari is left. Kajaku is family. Kagi is keys. Shinbun is newspaper. Doko is where. Kaje is wind. Dare is who. Gohan is rice ball or rice. Kado is corner. Tempura is snacks, fried snacks. Kabin is vase. Sampo is walk. Hambun is half. Denki is electricity. Chiju is map. Alright, and Boku, that's what we learned is I am me. Informal way of saying I am is me. That is also Watashi. Watashi is the formal way, polite way, and Boku is used in younger generation when it is mainly used in the animation or manga, etc. Alright, now we go to next Minasan where we will be learning small su. What is the use of small su? Example, here su appears as big as the other characters, therefore it is pronounced as su, but tsunami, like example tsunami or sukihi, right? All shitsumon or matsu, etc. Right? You can see. But here, when a small su is noticeably smaller, small su, the word how we learned ya, you, yo, small su is also there, which symbolizes there is an emphasis on the consonant proceeding. Like next letter will be pronounced as double. Right? Now you can see here, motto. So a small su is there in the between. So mo, small su and to. So it becomes motto. That's more. Then koka. Koka is nation or country. Then gakko. Gakko. We pronounce it gakko. It's not gatsuko. It is gakko. School. And utsupera. Right? It becomes thin. So now this use of tsu also appears in katakana. We will learn later. Alright. So this is hiragana. Small tsu is big tsu. Looks like this. Small tsu looks like this. Size matters. Sa, ka. So it will be, if small su is there, you can see the size, right? Smaller in size. Sakka, it becomes sakka, soccer. Or Niki and Nikki, alright? Yoka and Yoka, alright? Small su, not red, and second is one break, right? So you can see Yoka, Sakka, Nikki, Mitsu, all these things, right? Now this is Yoka, Kekka, Saki, Gaku, Yuke, Ikko, Kasa, Satsu, Tase, Shisho, Kata, Ite, Moto, Achi, Yotsu, Yotsu, Ippa, Happy, Kipu, Shippe, Ropo. Alright, so this is what how we pronounce. Next letter is always pronounced as double, right? So depends on the size of the tsu. So now you please in this you tell me where is Isso. Isso is at the bottom. All right. So where is Achi? Achi is in the middle. All right. So where is Ikko? Right hand side top. All right. Okay, this. And then where is Happa? Happa is at the bottom. All right. Okay, now please tell me where is Zassi? Yeah, Zassi is left hand side. All right, going good. You're doing good. All right. So next is now please tell me where is Sippo. Sippo is right hand side in the middle. Thank you so much. Now we now start reading this. So this will be 3 days will be Mikka, 4 days will be Yokka, price will be Bukka, first floor will be Ikkai, diary will be Nikki, musical instrument is called Gakki, some time ago is called Saki, school is Gakko, marriage is Hekon, clearly is Hakkiri, magazine is Zassi, absent is Kessiki, attendance is Susseki, cafe is called Kissaten, 3 pieces will be Mitsutsu, all right, it will be Mitsutsu, all right. Similarly 6 pieces will be Mutsutsu, 8 pieces will be Yatsu, and then ticket, postal ticket, like we say Kitte, and this is check is Khogitte, all along is Zutto, throughout it's called Zutto, more is Motto, at last is Yatto, a little is Chotto, and this is what leaves are called, what are leaves are Happa, all right, it's called Happa. Great. This is absolutely is Yappari, mistake is Shippai, full is Ippai, ticket is Kippu, mother is Okasan, other mother, no, someone's your father, friend mother or some other friend's mother will be called Okasan. All right, good is E, elder brother is Oni-san, grandfather is Oji-san, address is Zuso, China is Chugoku, and 10 is, what is 10? How do you pronounce this? 10 is Zu, grandmother is Oba-san, milk is Gyu-new, movie is Eiga, all right, Eiga, all right. So hobby is Shumi, economy is Keizai, name card is Meishi, politics is Seiji, all right, Seiji, student is Gakusei, overseas student is Ryugakusei, all right, that's called Ryugakusei, all right. Polite is Teinei, Senpuku is Fan, high school is Koko, pulse is Myaku, number is Bango, cafeteria is Shokudo, where you eat food, she or her is called Kanojo, Boshi is hat, Tokyo is Toukyo, Tokyo is Tokyo, all right. Elephant is Zou, yesterday is Kinou, charm is Miryoku, English is Eigo, study is again Benkyo, bank saving is called again Chokin, Kojo is factory, Kojo, high school student will be Kokosei, prime minister is called Susho, Monday is Getsuyobi, travel is Ryoko, it's called hospital is Byoin, that's what we had discussed right now, how you write this Byoi, long sign, Byoin. Birthday is Tanjoubi, and this is 100, Hyaku, candle is Rosoku, Kingyo is again fish, Isha is doctor, company is Kaisha, Jitensha is cycle, Jisho is dictionary, cooking is Ryori, Shujutsu is operation, surgical operation. Okay, today is Kyo, Ocha is tea, Kabocha again we learned. Okay, it's a kind of fruit. Okay, Shokai is introduce, Kabin is vase, Sambyaku is 300, Doko is where, Rekucha is green tea, Ginkgo is bank, Ban is night, Kagu is furniture, Daigaku is university, Raigetsu next month, and this is Owarimasu. So thank you so much now for sparing your time with us.